Hello everybody and welcome to People's Corner on this amazing day. It's got to be 12 degrees, it's the middle of March and spring is on the way. Today I'm going to be showing you a burger which is going to revolutionise your burger intake, the SMASHBURGER. I tried this from a recipe on the internet, slightly mucked around with it a little bit, but what I found is it's just the basics which make it perfect. Now for a SMASHBURGER you're going to need something like, if you haven't got a big cast iron pan, you're going to need one of these cast iron plates. I've got one of these. I've got a hot plate over here, and I know what you're thinking, yes you would do, wouldn't you? But you know, I worked really hard for my furlough. Anyway, if you'd like to come over, I'll show you the ingredients and we're going to do it real time. So we've got some minced beef, just standard stuff, 20% fat. We've got our salt and pepper. We've got our cheese. We're just going basic today. Lettuce, pickle, onion, maybe jalapeno. Some of my homemade burger sauce. We've already toasted our buns because I just want to do this in one take and just show you how quick a SMASHBURGER is. The reason why I'm wearing gloves is because we get our mince and we just chop like this into 6, and you don't need to squeeze it very hard. You just grab your mince, you just make it into a ball like this. Grab another one, just make it into a ball like this. Grab another one, into a ball. Grab another one, into a ball. I'm sure you get the drift. The main thing is you want them all the same size. You could get 8 out of one of these. Oh, got a bit of an escapee. So there we go. There's our 6 burgers. I can now take the gloves off, so I don't need to wash my hands. And away we go. So one of the main things about a SMASHBURGER is you do not season it until it hits the grill. So now I'm going to show you how fast in real time it is to cook a SMASHBURGER. By the way, I'm going to use a burger iron. You can use the bottom of a saucepan with some greaseproof paper. It's all pretty much the same. For the video today I'm going to use greaseproof paper. You don't have to use it, but I'm just going to do it because I want to make this in one take and I don't want to make any mistakes. So here we go. So we've got our first burger patty. We just pop it on. Our second burger patty, we just pop it on. We grab our greaseproof paper and we smash the burger down. You can see that steam coming off. Then we get our second one. We smash the burger down like this. So now this gives us time to plate up our burger. This is so fast, you won't believe it. We've got our bun. You've got your own special burger sauce that you use. You pop on your lettuce. While I remember, I'm just going to put some salt and some pepper on the burger. I'm going to take the burgers like this and I'm just going to flip them over. You need quite a robust flipper. I'm going to take my cheese, pop on the burger like so, and like so. And then I'm going to add my onion to the bun. I don't actually like tomato in a burger, so we're just going to stick to that. So here we go. So with our spatula, we'll just take off one burger. We'll just take off another burger. We'll just take the top of our bun. We're just going to squirt with some yellow sriracha. This is my favourite sauce at the moment. You can pop on pickles if you want. You can pop on jalapenos. I'm going to pop on both. We're going to pop the top on like so. just have a little bit of a clear up. You've got to prepare everything before you make a smash burger because it just cooks so quick. A little bit of a scrape on the griddle pan there. There we go. And here we have it, smash burger. Talk about fast food. This cooks in minute and a half. So let's try this and we'll see how we get on. Just look at the juice coming out of this burger. It's so juicy. Just have a close up on the burger. It's cooked. I could have cooked it faster to make it red in the middle, but it's so flavoursome you don't need it. You know it's a good burger when it's dripping all over your hands. Anyway, that is my smash burger. I hope you try it at home, and I'll see you on the next video.